You don't have to get a job or a second job to pay your rent. This digital product, once it's set up completely, can not only pay your rent, but also will pay your bills, utilities, and ultimately get you off your 9-to-5 job for good so you never have to work again. And I'm not just making this all up and selling you guys pipe dreams. Right now, popping up on your screen are tons of other people who are already using the same exact product and making hundreds and even thousands of dollars online that they're using to pay their rent, pay their bills, pay their light bill, pay their car notes, and on the way to quitting their jobs for good, if they haven't already. Now, this digital product is just one of 3 elements you're going to need in order to make this whole process successful, and I'm going to break them down entirely in this video. Before we get started, I want you to comment down in the YouTube comment section how much you need to pay your rent, and I'm going to reply back. Now let's dive in. First off, what is this digital product and how will it help you start making money online that you can use to pay your rent and all your bills and ultimately get you off your 9-to-5 job? The name of this digital product is called Systemeio in a box. Systemeio in a box is basically a digital product that shows you how to create income using a software called Systemeio. Now, if you don't know what Systemeio is, don't worry. We're going to talk about that later in the video. Now, let me break down how Systemeio in a box can change your life. First thing you need to understand is that Systemeio in a box is a PLR digital product, which means private label rights. PLR digital products are basically digital products that someone else created that when you purchase it, you get the rights to resell it as your own and get 100% of the profits. Now, because it is a PLR digital product and you won't have to set it up from scratch, what's included inside this digital product is a course to show you how to make some minor changes, and it walks you through the entire process. Now, after you make your purchase of this digital product, you're going to need a free account of Systemeio. Like I said, we'll talk about that later. But because it's already set up, all you have to do is click buttons and it's going to be automatically imported into your Systemeio account. That means that you won't have to create it from scratch. You won't have to deal with any graphics or any coding. You click a button and everything you just purchased goes into your account. And once you go through all the quick and easy modules, you'll be able to start selling it the same day. Now, when you import Systemeio in a box into your free Systemeio account, everything comes with it and you just repeat that process. So the same way you imported the digital product, you're going to also be able to import the funnels, the email sequences, and you're even going to have support to help you along the way. And it's all going to be available by the click of a button. Now, once you import it into your Systemeio account, you're going to see a pop-up up under your funnels. Just go to website, sales funnels at the top, and then you'll see Systemeio in a box, share funnel. And when you click that, it's going to bring you into the funnel list. Now, each one of these are steps in your funnel that will walk the customer towards a purchase. There's a sales page, an order form where they can make their purchase, an upsell page, a thank you page, and then at the end is a training page. So at the end of the funnel, it's going to email them this training page or take them to this page directly after the thank you page. Now, for you, when you're doing the training as well, you're going to have access to that same training page. So once you have everything set up, you've created your Systemeio account, you've installed the funnel, which if you're here, you've already done that. You can join our private Discord group where we'll walk you through the process. If you get stuck, anything from the offers, the funnels, or the automations, you're going to have tons of help there. It's going to show you how to create your payment gateway using PayPal or Stripe. This is what people are going to use to pay online so that you receive the payments. We'll walk you through that as well. But then after that's all done, you want to edit the funnel so that you get the credits for the purchase. And this video walks you through that. And it also shows you how to do the other pages like the thank you page. It's going to show you how to do the email integration and email campaigns so that the automations of the emails get sent to the customers. It's going to show you about tags inside of your funnels. Tags are basically showing the customer who purchased what or didn't purchase what so you can keep them separate. To help you understand this, nobody wants to receive emails about purchasing a product that they already purchased. So when you set up tags, they're able to segment each customer by the way they interacted or purchased any of your products. So we'll walk you through that as well. But let's go back to the sales page. We would just click this button right here in the top left. And then what you want to do is just go over to the edit page. And this is going to be the back office of the page editor. And all you have to do is make some minor changes. If you're fine with all the graphics and the colors, you can leave them the same. Some key things that you want to change is down here below. You can change Dad Learns Money to whatever the name of your business is. And by the way, if you're still a little uneasy about how to use this software, I'm going to leave a link down below this video to where you can take a free course that teaches you how to use Systemeio, and you won't have to pay a dime. By the time you complete this course, you'll be well knowledgeable on how to use this software so that when you create your account, you won't be lost. But I can assure you, Systemeio is a user-friendly software that anybody can use. Now, after you have your sales page set up, the next thing you're going to want to do is set up your order form. This is the page where they're going to actually order the product. So just to show you what it looks like, I'm going to go over here to the right to view funnel step. And this is the page where they would purchase. They would get their first name, last name, email address, of course. They're going to pay with their card. And then when they're done, they would just click this box, click this button right here, and it is going to submit their transaction. And then that's how you'll receive payments. But in order for this to happen, you have to create the product inside of Systemeio. So inside your back office of Systemeio, you want to make sure you have the order form highlighted. And then you want to come down here. And what we have to do is create the digital product inside of Systemeio. So this is, of course, going to be a digital product. So we're going to do that and click digital product. Now, next, when you click this, you're going to see it says select. But if you have a free account, you won't see any options. Because I already have this account, I have options here from products I've already created. What you're going to have to do is click the plus sign. And then what you're going to have to do is just give this a name. So you could put Systemeio in a box. And then the next thing you're going to have to do is just add a resource. All right. So if you don't have a resource, you're going to have to do the same. Now, this resource is actually a digital product, so we won't have to create a course or anything. Even though it is a course, what you want to do is just give it a tag. Now, giving it a tag is going to tag the customer when they complete the purchase. And once that tag is applied to that customer after their purchase, it's going to send them the email containing the link to the training page so that they can get started learning how to set this up just like you are right now. For example, I already have a tag for people who purchase Systemeio in a box, so I named that tag Systemeio in a box purchase. Now, I want to make sure you understand how these tags work, so I'm going to show you how this automation is set up. Now, by the way, we show you all of this inside Systemeio in the box. So if you're watching this video, they're also going to have additional training inside the digital product itself. But to give you an understanding of what's actually happening, what you want to do is just go to automations and go to rules. And I already have this set up. So yours is going to be different. Now, right now, I'm in the automations rules back office, which means anytime somebody purchases this product, these automations will start triggering and happening in the background. And it's all on autopilot. Once I set it up, I won't have to do it again. But just to give you an example, I'm going to show you what happens when they actually purchase Systemeio in a box. So I'm going to click this right here. So right now we're in the automation rule, and the trigger is what is going to happen. What is happening? So when they purchase it, it's going to create a trigger called new sale. And when that new sale happens, it's going to alert Systemeio and let them know that they just purchased that through this funnel on this page. So they went to this page right here, and then they ordered it and made their purchase. So this is called a new sale. So this is going to get triggered when this entire process is achieved through that customer. Now that it's triggered, this is what's going to happen. I wanted to add that tag, letting me know that they made a purchase. And when this tag is added, it's going to send them an email with the link to Systemeio in a box. Now, in that link, it's going to send them to this page right here to where they can get started with the product they just purchased. And just to show you an example of that email, if we go to emails and I go to campaigns, we'll see the Systemeio in a box emails. And when I click that, it brings me here. And just to show you the inside of that email right here, and this tag is going to trigger this email so that when they receive this email, open it up, they can click this link and it's going to take them to this page to where they can actually start using the Systemeio in a box. Now that you understand what's happening with this entire process, we can come back to our funnel list up under order form. We already have digital products set up, and what we would have to do is use that tag to trigger this campaign. Now, if you haven't created your tag, that's the first thing you're going to want to do. You want to go to CRM, go to tags, and I already have mine set up, but what you would do is click create, give your tag a name, System.io in a box purchase or whatever you want to call it, and then you would click save. Now, once you have that tag created, when you come back here up under resources, all you would have to do is click tags. After you create a resource, go to the drop-down menu and then select that newly created tag. You'll see it when you click the drop-down menu, and it's going to highlight right here in the box. Now, for here, you're going to have to create your pricing plan. For this digital product, it's $7. But before you're able to set any prices in System.io, you have to create your payment gateway. Now, inside the System.io in a box course training, you want to go to number 4, and it's going to show you how to set that up using PayPal or Stripe. They're both absolutely free, and it takes only like 5 minutes. If you don't have those set up, you won't be able to do this process. So if you don't have it set up, you're going to see something at the bottom saying set up your payment gateway. You'll have to stop there, go back and create your payment gateway, and then come back to this process. Now, because I already have a payment gateway linked to this digital product, I can't reinstall PayPal or Stripe. So once you have it set up, you can watch the video inside the course. It walks you through that as well. But all you have to do is just basically give it a name, like what you see on your screen, give it a statement descriptor, which is basically what the customer is going to see on their statement, on their bank once they make the purchase. Make sure you set the price plan type to one-time payment and then make the amount $7. And then once you're done with this entire process, all you have to do is click save. And then you're going to want to repeat the same process on the upsell PLR bundle page. Now, you won't have the upsell unless you purchase it. And if you want to do that, all you have to do is just follow along the course. Now, this is an option that you can add on to increase or boost your sales per customer, but it's not mandated. If you want to just stick with what you have for now, it's perfectly fine. You'll be able to learn more about that inside the course itself. But if you choose to opt out, all you have to do is just move the upsell page below the thank you page simply by long pressing it and dragging it up under it. And that's the first element you're going to need in order to create a digital product that's going to generate some income for you to pay your rent and your bills and ultimately leave your job. But just to make sure you got some clarity on that, I'm going to break this down how this is going to help you. Now, because we have this set up now, everyone who makes a purchase is going to be paying you $7. Okay. So each time a person purchases this System.io in a box purchase from you, because you're getting 100% of the profits, you're going to make $7. All right. Now let's break this down. Just to make the math easy, let's just say your rent is $1,000 per month. In order to generate $1,000 a month from this digital product, you're going to need 143 sales every single month, which is fairly reasonable and achievable. But here's the kicker of this thing. With other digital products you might be selling, if you wanted to make this amount right here, you would have to continue to get 143 sales every single month, which means every single month, you're going to have to acquire 143 more customers so that you can maintain your consistency of $100,000 per month. But here's how this digital product is different. Because people are signing up and purchasing this System.io in a box digital product, they're going to be using this software called System.io. Now, the cool thing about System.io is that they have an affiliate program. Now, so far, they've paid out over $5 million in commissions to all of their affiliates. And when you sign up and create your free account with System.io, you automatically become an affiliate. Now, each time a customer upgrades to one of their payment plans, you're going to get 60% lifetime commissions for every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. And on the back end, the company or software System.io themselves are going to continue to promote on your behalf, getting people to upgrade to a paid account if they currently are working on a free account. Now, what this means is that your affiliate link is going to be attached to every email that they send to your referrals. Now, at the time of this recording, their plans start at $27 a month and go up to $97 a month. So we need to know these numbers so that you can use these numbers in order to see and understand of how much you can make every single month with this digital product. So back in our graphic, once you get 143 people to sign up and they upgrade to the Systemeio software, which is needed in order to be successful with this digital product, you're going to get recurring payments anywhere from $16 to $58 every single month. So this is going to be passive income that's coming into your account, and you don't have to acquire any new customers. You're going to continue to get that every single month for the lifetime for those 143 customers who signed up using your referral link that's going to be attached to the digital product Systemeio in a box, which means now our numbers change to make $1,000 per month. All you need is just 62 of those people who signed up to upgrade the Systemeio to generate $1,000 per month. And this is what's so cool about the Systemeio in a box. Once you start getting customers to purchase your digital product and they upgrade the Systemeio, you're going to continue to make money from those same customers every single month without having to acquire more and more customers every single month, because you're going to be retaining some of that income from your original customers. And so if your goal is to only make $1,000 per month, all you need is 62 to 17 of those people that made the original purchase to upgrade the Systemeio. And once you get those 62 to 17 people, they're going to pay you every single month, which means even if you stop promoting this digital product, you're going to continue to get that income. And this is why Systemeio is the second element you're going to need in order for this to be successful. The third thing you're going to need is the actual Systemeio account, so that you can have your affiliate link that you can add into Systemeio in a box, so that when your customers purchase it and they click your link, upgrade to Systemeio, you're going to get those recurring commissions. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Now, in order to get your affiliate link from your account inside of Systemeio, what you want to do is go to the top, click on dashboard, and then go to affiliate dashboard. Now, after you come to the affiliate dashboard, to your right, you're going to see something that looks just like this. Your affiliate ID is kind of like your social security number for your affiliate link. Nobody has it, and it's unique to only you. But under that, you're going to also see your full URL affiliate link, which is the link that's going to send people to that page to create their free Systemeio account. And inside that link is going to have your affiliate ID. So if you look up here, this is mine, and it matches down here. So when people click this link, it's letting the software know that I referred them. So all you would have to do is just click copy, and it's going to copy to your clipboard. And then once you have your affiliate link, what you're going to want to do is come back to your Systemeio in a box funnel list, and you're going to go to your thank you page, click that, make sure it's highlighted, and then you're going to go over here to the right and click on edit page. Now all you have to do is come to this first one right here and click on this button. And over here to the right, it's going to open up a window, and all you will have to do is just paste your affiliate link right there. Make sure this is set to open up in a new window. Come over here to the top right and then click on Save Changes. Now, this is a live example of my actual page, but after someone makes a purchase and they come to this page and they're starting to learn how to set this up, when they click this button right here, as you can see in the top left in the browser, it has my affiliate link, which means when they sign up, put in their email address, when they upgrade, I'm going to get the affiliate commission. And that is how you're going to generate the passive income that's going to pay your rent, your bills, and utilities. And ultimately, in time, you'll be able to leave your job and never have to work again. Now, for a full tutorial on how to do this from start to finish, you'll find it all inside the Systemeio in a box digital product, which is right below this video in the YouTube description. You'll also find it in the comment section of this video as well. And after you have it all set up, I want to make sure that you start making money with it. That's why you want to watch this video popping up on your screen, because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.